$49 an hour from surveys? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, maybe not. I've been diving deep into this new survey platform called OnePulse, and the results are pretty surprising. Let's cut through the BS and see if it's legit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can you really make $49 an hour with surveys? Well, stick around and find out. We'll break down how OnePulse is different, and there might be a few tricks to maximize your earnings. Let's see if this easiest survey website lives up to the hype. All right, so you're tired of surveys that take forever and pay next to nothing, right? We've all been there, feeling like our opinions are worth more than a couple of cents. Well, fret no more, because today I'm introducing you to a game changer in the survey world, OnePulse. Now, OnePulse isn't your average survey platform. These guys understand the value of our time and opinions, and they're here to reward us fairly. Forget spending 20 minutes on a snooze fest of a survey just to get slapped with a measly 50 cents. OnePulse is all about short, sweet, and straight-to-the-point surveys. We're talking 3 questions, max, and they take less than a minute to complete. That's right, no more wasting your precious time on surveys longer than your attention span. But wait, it gets even better. OnePulse doesn't make you wait weeks to see your hard-earned cash. They believe in instant gratification, just like yours truly. So, the minute you finish a survey, boom, your payment pops right into your account. No more waiting around, wondering if you'll ever see that payout. And listen up, because this is where OnePulse really sets itself apart. Push notifications. No more constantly checking the app or website, hoping for a new survey. OnePulse sends you alerts whenever a new opportunity lands, ensuring you never miss a chance to earn. That's right, they do the work for you, so you can focus on what matters, racking in those rewards. Now, let's dive deeper into what makes OnePulse the ultimate survey hustle companion. First off, forget the frustration of spending ages on a survey, only to be told you don't qualify. OnePulse keeps things smooth and efficient with their push notification system. They basically become your personal survey scout, sending you alerts whenever a relevant and rewarding opportunity pops up. No more checking the app a million times a day. Just sit back, relax, and let the surveys come to you. Secondly, I have to bring this up again. Say goodbye to waiting weeks for a payout that might never come. OnePulse believes in instant gratification. The minute you finish that quick and easy survey, boom, your payment is instantly deposited into your account. No more wondering if you'll ever see that payout. With OnePulse, what you earn is yours, and it's yours right away. But here's the real kicker. OnePulse isn't just about convenience and instant rewards. They also reward your consistency. They have this awesome level-up system where the more you participate, the higher your level goes. And guess what? The higher your level, the more you earn per survey. That's right, become a OnePulse Pro and watch your earnings climb steadily. And let's not forget the surveys themselves. OnePulse keeps things short and sweet, with surveys typically having only 3 questions. We're talking less than a minute of your time to earn some real cash. No more sacrificing your precious hours on surveys that's taking up all of your time. OnePulse understands your time is valuable, and they treat it as such. Now listen up, because when it comes to earning potential, OnePulse is no slouch. Let's be real. The $49 per hour figure they throw around might sound too good to be true, and to some extent, it is. But hold on, before you click away, hear me out. Reaching that level takes dedication and commitment. You gotta be a survey-taking machine, cranking out those quickies one after another. It's like hitting the gold mine of short surveys, but I wouldn't say it's easy. However, even if you're not a survey-taking ninja, you can still earn some decent cash with OnePulse. Here's the deal. Let's say you manage to complete 1 survey per minute. That's not bad, right? Well, at their base level, you'd be looking at around 25 cents per survey. Do the math, that's $15 an hour. Not bad for a side hustle that requires minimal effort, especially considering most platforms have you working through surveys for pennies. And remember, the level up system is your friend. As you participate more, you'll climb the ranks and earn more per survey. So, even if you start slow, you can gradually increase your earnings by putting in consistent effort. Of course, there's always the screen out factor to consider. Sometimes, surveys fill up their quota before you finish, and you might end up with a blank screen. Don't sweat it. It happens, but it's not super frequent. Just take a break and come back later when there are fresh opportunities. The bottom line? OnePulse might not make you a millionaire, but it can be a solid side hustle, especially if you're looking for a user-friendly platform with fair rewards. You can earn some decent cash for your time, and who knows, maybe you'll even become a survey-taking master and hit that elusive $49 per hour mark. Just remember, consistency is key, and quality responses are always appreciated. Okay, I gotta level with you. While OnePulse is a definite step up from those soul-crushing, low-paying survey sites, it's not perfect. So let's drop the sugarcoating and talk real, because I'm all about transparency and setting you up for success. Again, you might encounter what's called a screen out. That's when you're halfway through a survey, ready to collect your reward, and boom, the screen goes blank. It's frustrating, but here's the deal. Sometimes, a survey gets enough responses, and they close it early. It's not personal, just how the system works. Don't get discouraged, just take a breather and wait for the next notification to pop up. Secondly, there's a $20 payout threshold. That means you can't cash out your earnings with every single survey. You gotta hustle and accumulate at least $20 in your account before you can get that sweet payday. Now don't worry, with their quick surveys and instant payments, you can reach that threshold faster than with a lot of other platforms. But remember, some days you might have a ton of surveys waiting for you. Other days, it might be a bit slower. Lastly, let's be clear. OnePulse won't replace your day job. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but what it can do is offer you a solid side hustle opportunity. It's a platform that respects your time, pays fairly for your opinions, and gives you the tools to earn some extra cash with minimal effort. So, while it might have a few quirks, it's still miles ahead of those other platforms that want to take up your time and pay you pennies. All right, OnePulse is definitely a breath of fresh air in the survey world, but it's important to understand what you're getting into. It's not a path to financial independence, but it can be a valuable side hustle if you approach it with the right mindset. Here's the deal. OnePulse offers convenience, instant rewards, and a chance to earn more through their level up system. Their short surveys are perfect for those who don't have a ton of time to dedicate to side hustles, and the push notifications ensure you never miss an opportunity. However, remember, realistic expectations are key. Reaching the $49 per hour mark requires serious dedication and might not be achievable for everyone. But even at a conservative estimate of $24 per hour, it's significantly more than what most survey platforms offer for your time. Sure, there are drawbacks like screenouts and a payout threshold, but those shouldn't completely deter you. OnePulse is still transparent about their system and offers a much better user experience than most competitors. Ultimately, OnePulse is a solid option for anyone seeking a user-friendly platform that rewards your time and effort. It's a refreshing alternative to the low-paying survey grind, and with some consistency and quality responses, you can definitely earn some decent extra cash. So, if you're looking for a side hustle that fits your busy schedule, OnePulse is definitely worth checking out. Just remember, be patient, be strategic, and most importantly, be a high-quality respondent. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep working.